Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Tesla on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, it's free, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, check out cobratrading.com/promo/StockBookie. It's on the screen right now. Check these guys out, been using them for years, best in the business, hands down. If you're looking for a new broker and you're an active trader, check out cobratrading.com. You won't be disappointed. All right, let's get into Tesla, guys. November 1st will be the earnings day, so we got to watch out for that. This is the weekly chart we're going to start with today just to show a little bit of damage done, and this is the big trend line that we've been talking about. I mean, it's been hitting it, hit it, coming back, hit it again. Weekly chart close. Doesn't mean anything. I want to see further downside. If this thing closes down in this area, then some technical damage is done on this chart. But we'll be looking for good support. But going into earnings, it's a 50-50 shot, guys. There's big support at the 200 MA, 250, and there's also a lot of resistance going up too. So we're going to let this thing just play out, see what happens. We are short in this trade right now. Been holding on for a little while, but we've traded this one a bunch of times, guys. Look, it's a trading stock, guys. Short here, short here, short here, back at double top. Comes back again. Look at this trend line here. That was beautiful. Tags it, does it again, comes back up, boom. So we've traded this thing a bunch of times in its history. So right now we're a little bit upside down in the trade, but I'm holding it. It's a swing trade. Not a big deal. Shares only, guys. Shares only. So, but let's look at the charts. So we're breaking that area. Let's see if the 750 and this little pivot down here at 312 holds. And again, we're going into earnings November 1st, so we got to watch for that as well. So let's see if we get a turnaround straight back up. We get some pause maybe next week, the first couple days. Wednesday is the 1st, so let's see what this thing does. It did have some news today, so if we go to the daily chart, and this is what we've been talking for a while too. Down, sideways, guys. This is bearish. As long as it stayed above the moving average, it was slightly bullish because look, this up move here, then sideways there. That's a little bearish pattern inside an overall, or that's a bullish pattern inside of an overall bearish pattern because this is down and sideways. That's sideways consolidation, but with a slight bullish bias on it, as long as it stayed above the MAs. And boom, started slipping. Today we got more news. It gapped down, but we did come into the 200 MA on the daily, and we filled the gap the other day as well. So it was holding that until it got some bad news with some assembly line garbage, or I don't know. Honestly, I don't really know. I read the headlines on CNBC, guys. That's it, just to see what's out there and see what these guys are spewing for the day. So this thing gapped down. Apparently someone needed lower prices here. And 303 will probably be the area of resistance here, double bottom. Because if you open the, let's go back to the weekly real quick. You have the 297.40. So 303, 297.40. Anywhere in that area, if that does not hold, that's some good support there. If that doesn't hold, we're probably going to gap fill down in here then. Maybe. I'm going to be waiting here. I'll cover my short and I'll go long down in this area, or maybe even here if we get there. I don't know, guys. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just giving out areas. If this thing turns and goes up on earnings, I would, gosh, you're looking at probably 350, 360. Well, let's go with 367 double top, then 400. So I mean, realistically, it's about the same distance. If you go down 50 bucks, you're down in here somewhere. You know, that 75 area. If you go up 50 bucks, you know, you're right back into the double top and 400. So, and you know, Tesla can darn well go up either way. So, but pattern wise, if no earning was coming up, I'd say this one has a little more downside, but we're going to wait for the weekly close. If this thing has some follow through and starts getting down in here, it could get really ugly. If it comes back, reverses, shoots up, watch for 400, 410, 420, and stuff like that. So let's wait until earnings, but we'll see what pattern it gives us next week. But right now we are into support on the daily and with a little doji too. So this could get a quick bounce above this area right before earnings, possibly. If it holds right here in the earnings, then it's a 50-50 shot from there. So, all right, guys, that's your Tesla chart. But overall on the monthly, I still think this one stretched a little bit of a high flyer. When it was almost at 400, it definitely was. Getting a little bit closer to the 20 MA, you still have, the nice breakout here. Shot for the 400, didn't make it. Now it's consolidating in an inside bar too as well on the monthly bearish pattern. So We'll see if it could break that bearish pattern on earnings, or if the bearish pattern starts to play out, and then we'll be looking for support down in here. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for stopping by and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.